There's ball. There's a blue ball. Inbound. On the line. Looking for the receiver. Pass on the left side. Now it's a jersey number 30 to the bottom. Back on the middle. It's a 3 seconds violation. Nakikita sa ilalim ng tulay. Pero inbound para sa team ng Violet.
Yung boss, maano yun dito. Hindi ko mabibidyo to.
Pass in number 00. Ortesa. Bababa para sa team ng Violet. Kick out on the left side. Pinakawa na doon sa Pumo. Violet is receiver ngayon. Pass in number 32. Pass for Stevie now. Tatawag sa kalan. Baka na dito naman. 3 on 2. Receiver. Pushing down number 31. First contact. First team bell. Back to Milo. Back to Cortesa. Inside. Not just a 3. Nothing. Here's our little boy on the Violet. Blue Runner.
Last game na ba ito?
Volleyball na nga.
Volleyball
There's
ba?
space with Bob Banabola. Number 19, iniwan ang defense. 18 on the shot clock. Double team. Bodies receiver. Pass on the middle. Pop. Low pick. Monterrey. Not just a 3. Nothing. Rebound. It's an out of bounds.
Nakahigaw oh, Pop.
Wala pa rin score and a pass on the steering number 43 to Sir Liam. Liam back on the middle. Drive. On his number 8 now. 14 on the shot clock. Pass to Stevie Urbano. No good. At a rebound para sa team ng Duga. Mamadali. Pinasa sa kalaban. And there's number 6, Mr. Bautista. And it is got it back to Stevie Cortesa on the ball. Shot clock 16 seconds. Quick ISO. Kick on pass. Wide open. Not just a green. Nothing but that. And a rebound team of blue. Pass break pass. To Stevie number 19. Open. Grab step up. Hey, not just a 2. Shot ng malakas. Ang going sa Bumo. Back to Stevie 12 on the shot clock. Pass intercepted. Urbano whistle. Now, there's a number 16. First contact 17 bell. Back to Mr. Leon. Inwer. Pasuyo, Inwer natanggal. Pagpaki-open. Yung mga shot lang. That's number 19, Monteroy. Back to Stevie. Right, clap, pass. Out of bounds.
Sandali lang daw.
Larry Dunlop. 1. 7. That is 7 minutes on the first quarter. Gaday. Rebound, back to number 00. 0 ball pa rin. Cortesa. That's Hodges. No good. 10 on the shot clock. 8-second shot clock. Quick ISO. 6 seconds. Drive. Side step. Nagalaman sa miso. And a foul. There's in number 2. 7 first personal, 13 pound. Ready jumpers. Sound dry. Wala pa rin. Rebound blue. Back to Stevie. Nabigam na. Aganda pa. Good. Defensive rebound. Stevie back on the bottom of the middle. Number 40, Liam. Urbano Bay. 15 on the shot clock. Nabitawan pa. 12 seconds to shoot. Urbano on the ball. Discarded. 10 on the shot clock. Kick out. No to buka pa. Rebound. Team of blue. Chance para sa possession. Get it back on the point guard. Number 19, Mr. Monterrey. Right to the basket. Intercepted. Urbano whistle. Warning for Tony. And a penalty is number 16, second personal foul. Liam, back to Urbano. Urbano with the bola. On the middle to this back is Green. 5 minutes and 50, 16 on the shot clock. Hey, long two, short. Okay, good na. Tingnan natin. Sino ang first basket on this game? Shot clock 17 seconds. On the middle court in second shot clock. Best on the right side. On to the under. 10 second shot clock. Number 32. 7 in the shot clock. Bring away. Yellow number 8. 8. It is not the first yellow. Sunrise, it's good, 2-0, inbound, Liam Umitana na bola, habang bababa, Siyang Ilan, dribble the ball, 15 on the shot clock, kick out pass, drive on the basket, no turn, no good, agawan sa bumo, offensive rebound pa rin, pass on the and there's a missile, change pipe tayo, maiwan yung shooter. 16.
Uy, huwag kayong daan ng daan.
Pass number 13. Magbababa on the team of Violet. Tignan natin kung mga first basket on this possession. 15 on the shot clock screen. Stop and fires. No good. Rebound. Team of Blue. Nagmamadali. Namumuna sa Pransa. Easy pass there. On the team of Blue. 8-11. Ang nakascore. That is in the big man. There's a number. There's a number 24. Nakalawan sa buong mabasa ng skimig. Right to his basket. Payne not just a three. Rebound again. Para sa team ng Blue. At tingnan natin there's a whistle. Urbano. First one got hurts the mill. Celtic ball runner. Then it has this skimig. Magbababa on the team Blue. Bernal. Back on the point guard. 16 on the shot clock. Not just a three. Diskarte on the team. The Violet in the first basket on this possession. 12-second shot clock. Nabitawan pa. Intercepted number 12. Nagmamadali ito ng bola. He's now side step. Nabitawan yan. It's a Violet ball. Okay, pass at number 13. And one on the opening quarter, 18 on the shot clock, left wing, Lanches on 3-point. First basket on the team of Violet, 15 on the game clock. And it's Timmy na magbababa pa rin ang bola. Tignan. Pass dribble the ball, now leader one, take on the right wing, pump and fires on the long shot, no good. That is a valid board. 36 seconds on the game clock. That's now loose to be Urbano. Number 88, pass on the middle. Looking for his Timmy. Dribble ball, kick out on the left wing. 12 on shot clock. Punches a three, no good. Last 20 seconds, wait for the buzzer. Teams might be ready. Pass on the kick number 6, 15 seconds. Pass on the middle. Is there Kapal? Pay, kick out, pass. Lanches Mendoza, malakas 8 seconds. 5 on the game clock. 8 minutes of whistle bell. Number 7, 2 seconds. Last 2 seconds, wait for the buzzer. Bawal yun, sir. Bawal yun. 2.6 seconds. Yes. And then the first quarter is scored. Bata! Doy! May magalan ng pool. May gagano yan kasi magaling ka, scoreboard. Doon tayo. Pranesa on the ball. He discarded on the second quarter. Pass on the left wing. With Iso. Screen. Step back. Down to Lily. Rebound. Team Blue. Then pass number 77. Godwin, bullet pass. Stevie, stop, fake, kick out. Number 9, back on the wing side. Back on number 9 on the middle, cross pass. So, pasa-pasa. Right inbound, Vanessa Tomailo. Takes down, Stevie, taking out Jarmo. This next pass on the middle, Bautista sidestep. No back! Pinasabay, hindi ka lang kanilog. 11-5. As Stevie back on the middle, number 7-7. Cross down. Godwin Stevie on the point guard, back on the wing side. Montez on the long rebound. Rebound, Team Moylan. Get a pass to Stevie. Here's Romeo. Jersey number 2. Soft Vampires. Ini the one to the rebound. Para sa team ng Bully. Papadali yun. There's number 7-7. Extra pass. Full play. Big again. Equal 2 points. Dapat na lang. Ay, meron tayo. That's the Stevie. That's the Stevie Mr. Day. 14 on the shot clock. Screen, step back, Montez on 3-point, no good. Rebound number 9, bounce pass. This to be 3-1-1, number 7, 27 Sikat. Back to Mendoza. Shot clock, 16 seconds. No 3-point, no good again. Rebound number 2, there's Ramiro. Intercepted. Sidestep. And under, there's a whistle. There, foul, jersey number 22, versus Capel.
Sawa na?
Now drive to it. Rebound. E-Violet back on the number. Better pass on Donovan para sa team of Violet. Driving to the basket. Screen. Drive. No fake. No first shot. That baseball pass. Sakto. On the line. Down 2. David Barret. There, bababa na bola. Team of Violet. Guard in the paint. Bautista drive. Sidestep 8. David. Number 12 on the rebound. Pass to Papa. Daling ito with the bola. Back to Steve. Crossover. Aizon. Edwards. Sulat. May pasakit. Si Magbarret. Bell number 2. Well, throw, David. Defensive rebounder. Team Violet. Finally, singing 5 minutes and 41 game clock. Double team. Di makatawin. Promesa on the ball. 15 on the shot clock. Abay tayo sa 1 with number 7-7 at nakabinawan. They score 15-5. 10. Okay, Valdel. Back on the point guard. Para sa team ng Blue. 5 minutes and 20. 19 on the shot clock. Mendoza being discarded. The screen by Slim, 14 on the shot clock. Pass on the middle. Bernal sidestep. Pinoy step winner. Burns still in the rebound. Para sa team ng Violet. Nessa. Iniwanan nila ang pensa. Wala ka rin. Good buck is given. Change by. Score 57. Change back down.
Ko yung player ko. Ay, ikaw. Ano pa? Ayaw, ano? Nakatape ko. Nakatape naman, oh. Hindi ang agit.
Going down, making pass. To desert the ball, number 21 on the middle. 19 on the shot clock, double team pass on the middle. The big man Navarro, biglang pumukol sa 12 now. 3-1 ang tatawin para sa team na Violet. Pass on the under. Wait, katalabing. Wow! That's a Nicky Summerville. Pinasabi na jersey number 11. First personal bell, first team bell.
Magdoron sa rin ito. Labis lang lalabas dito.
Donos, let's go. 15-10, babasa din mga kalamangan. Ano yung tuwa niya? Let's go po. Sound Brazil, bell, Brazil, bell. Pass and simi, number 6. Shot clock, 13 seconds. This TV now. Right now, 10 on the shot clock. Kick out pass. Sanchez, rebound. Elbow. Good back. Gilbert. Napaganda ba? 17-10, balik sa pito. And rebound, mamadaligan ng point guard. Driving to the basket na. Bitawan ng walang natagad. Back is stay. Here's the number 6. Tatawin on the team na blue. It down. Number 6, nakakita na naman ng butas. Aliyo. Hey. Oh. Reverse. Do it. Offensive rebound. Do it. Offensive rebound again. Hey. There's traveling violation. Inbound. What about a pass? Valenza. On the point guard. Pass on the wing side. Sanchez on three. Nugget, number 66, down with the ball. Better pass it on the top wing. Okay, number 43, Liam. Pass number 6 on the middle. Back on his teammate. Wide open. Wala. Offensive rebound. Wala pa rin. And it's simple. Inbound. No pass. Good ball. Good for 2. 19-10. Balik sa shot. Better pass from double ball. Para sa Dina Violet. 18 seconds to shoot. Shooting on the kickoff. Brian. Drop pass. Urbano long to Nugget. Liam on the rebound. But against the team blue. Battle pass at number 21. Kapal. Pass now. Get a best friend jersey number 30. At tatanggap para sa Team Violet. 19-10, 9 point lead. 15 on the shot clock. So, Payne Agustin. The rest of rebound. Back on his teammate, number 21. Number 9, Abdullah. Paul Myers and there's a whistle. Get a bell, jersey number 2.
Aray ko.
First line, no good. Let's see the 7th drive.
Uy.
Sound right? That's it. 20-10, 10. 1 minute and 20 on income. That's Basil's earlier. Adi discarding on this possession. Back is Timmy, Marcus at 3 middle. 1 minute. Pass is Timmy, the ball. Ang mamadali crossover. Napitawan intercepted Urbano. 55 seconds. 50 seconds game clock. Pass is Maron. Passing the ball. Over against the team of Violet. That is Timmy. Just a 3-point Nugget. 35 seconds game clock. Header drive, put back. That's good. And then got time. Wait for the buzzer. Last 21 seconds. Wait for the buzzer. seconds to wait for the buzzer. Hold the lead, balik sa 10. 10 seconds. 8 seconds to wait for the buzzer.
Clamor ang hindi. Ang bahan na lang ng kami ito ang tingin. Ha? Ayos ba alam na? Awa na. Ibis ko yung telepono.
Okay, pass. Kapal on the ball. Pass to Simi Blanca sa 2. Again. Rebound natin. Here, Violet. That is to Simi. Back to number 22. Then another shot clock. Drop pass. Floater shot again. Then rebound. Para sa team ng Gulik, mamadali ito yung bola. Pass is Tingit. Nice pass on the under. The first shot from the top. Nakaduan sa bumo. Punta para sa team ng Gulik. One shot clock. Intercepted. With that, nag-ibang wala pa rin. And it's an offensive foul on the big man. Jersey number 3 deal. There's got the first foul. Then back to Sumi. Point guard on the team of Violet. He will move back on the right wing, working on the shot clock. Then he got that para sa team of Blue, score 22-15. Pass to the Steve, babasa ito on the right wing. Step again. Into the one of David Benson, rebound of 8, decides it, Brand. Good by 2. 34-15, nagsasya ang kalamangan. Era inbound pa rin para sa team ng Violet. Magbababa on the team ng Violet, Mr. Brunesa. Back on the left wing. Side step, drive. And shot down intercept. Balik na naman, nagmamadali. On the blue side. In and out. Too much situation. Hindi naman ang nila ng bababa ngayon. Is up. Make looking for the receiver. Turns on rebound. Another. And rebound. Out of bounds, Simo down, Simo. Inbound. Brunesa pass back to the inbounder. Boving on the middle. Floater shot. Nugget rebound. Pass to number 27. Pass Mr. P.A.1. Big bounce pass. Not two. Yes, sir. 24-17. Babasa po ang kalaman. 4 minutes and 20. And inbound better than team to do. 14 on the shot clock. Pass on the middle. Floater shot in. And rebound. At team of Violet. Dan Pranesa Moran, Pranesa noon, Pranesa ngayon. 24-17. On the middle, River ball. Screen. Waiting for the screen. Pass on the under. And it's a big down, rebound. Later back to the swing. Crossover. Sa kanila ng tawag, nagpapadali. Step by another. There's number 12, crossover. Nakitawan pa. There's number 4, Stingin. Nagpapagod ang bola ngayon. Back to Stingin. Kagawan sa bola. Para sa team of Blue. Nakagawa back to number 21, Bubal. Is off. Fake. Atas ang rebound. Eventually, another bottom. Nagkaroon na stop. Nagmamadali. Bounce pass. Hey, whistle. Foul number 32, Zelmer Song. Ano? Team Blue.
Walang ano yan, walang record yan. Walang binaport.
Rebound now. Pranesa ngayon.
Senior.
Pranesa launches a 3-air ball.
Walang, hindi nakakonect sa connection.
And back to the inbound. Back to his second ball. Nakababa para sa team. The Blue will settle play on this possession. Back on the right wing. Got a ball to the green. Rebound on the big man. Nagpapadali ngayon. Hard to the basket. And penalties in third quarter, Blue, 24-19. As the ball back on, big down. Super shot. The rest of the big down. There's a violent ball. Back in the middle of the wheel. On the way to the team of Violet. Bounce pass, napitawan ang bola. The rebound, not just a three, short rebound. Salo ng bababa, jersey number Bill Bernal. Up and underhanded. Put back. And that's when it is a Bill.
Parang block.
At Mr. Cornesa.
Layo namin lang. Layo din na rin. Hindi niya lang yung step. Dito na tayo.
The defensive rebound. Urbano. Directed to me. Number 28, Mr. Hay intercepted. Narvaran. Pull it pass on the big man. And di ba balik
Paano
din
niya
yan?
kayo ni Kai Black yan? Yun yung kaka-black ko. Aren yun. Aren ito. Yun yung black.
That's 1 minute 5 minutes to quarter.
Mata yung volleyball.
Mr. Hay now. That's win by Urbano. Back to Singing on the middle. Bitangan. Oh, just shot. Ngayon na. Kaya sa puno. And that's a good one out of bounds. Substitution. Substitution. Big man out. To go back in.
Wala, may raspilan nito lang.
52 on a game lock.
May raspilan talaga. Nandun? 60. Wala na kayo ba?
48 on a game lock. That's in a blue bawang ngayon.
Nanawarin ng laban.
Quick ISO. Kick out. Pass. Drive. No turn. Rock again. Rebound ball. Pass for Nessa. Bounce pass. Stinging EJV. Tinasabay. Roser Bernal. Hit down. Babasa lima. Pass the ball to Gabriel. Crossover. 22nd shot loss. Then wait for a buster. Look it. And rebound, see Bud. Last 15 seconds, wait for the buzzer. Game lock, 12 seconds. 10 on the game clock, Mino did this clock on the last shot. 5 seconds. Take your launch, strong reload. And the third quarter score, 26-21. Pass to the Steve. Dribble the ball. Back, not just a 3-point. 26-24. Pagpasa dalawang kalaban. At jersey number 21, the ball, Andy Descartes, screen by the big man. The ball played by 12-second shot clock, driving to the basket. First shot, offensive rebound. Byers, basket is good. Bell.
Sila natatambol rin, ha?
Goes right up. Rebound. Offensive rebound. Nice step. Bitawan. Taas kamay. Then a rebound. Gina Violet back to number 3. Back on the ball on the team. Violet pass on the middle intercepted. Bababa ngayon. Para sa Team Blue. Just game natin. Exceed versus Siglab. Be ready. Pass to Simit. Drive. Abang! Good rebound. Tawag sa buwan. Read the out of bounds. One by the middle down.
Walo lang.
Pass to Simit. Bautista on the ball. Hey, cross now. Number 26, Bababa ng bola. Pass on the middle. Urbano. There's a whistle on the body. Bell number 3. Self personal bell, first bell. Let's see the South Rider and jumpers. South Rider Sige. That's the same. That's the substitution number 19. Mataray. Drive na bitawan. That's the shooting. Ball 3 ba na yan? Substitution.
Ang bago lang.
Substitution.
Ang lagang tao ulit. Isa.
Oh, you know how. The shooter number 13 ang bababa on the team ng Violet Agustina. Paborito Cristo. Terrible naman. Kaya susunod on the right na tanggap para sa team ng Blue. Crossover bounce pass number 9. Spin move, Abila, kick out pass. 14 on the shot clock. Rebound, 10-second shot clock. Filter no good. Leave the ball and pass from Pista Ewan. Raise it up, and there's a whistle. And down, there's number 19, is up behind. There's personal bell, Celtic bell.
Kaya kaya man doon.
Long drive, wala. Rebound. Team Violet. Pass on the middle. Alley-oop, wala. Pass out of bounds pa. Dig up by number 19, Mataray. Pass on the left wing. Back on his under. Drive up it. There's a whistle. And a bell on the bat and on the foul. Jersey number 2. So the first one down, so 2 below. Offensive rebound. Back, fires. Another one. Rebound. Team Violet. Pass that is to me. Whistle. Down number 32. Tatlo ka na. 13 bell. dito.
Ito ba po? Ito maganaw sa